know C. I hope everybody's doing well because I sure am. Okay, so today I'm going to do a review. Yeah, we'll call it a review. It's a bag, y'all. I got a new bag yesterday and I'm dying to wear it. And so the last maybe 2 or 3 bags that I got, I said, hey, I'm gonna do a review for you guys just so that you can see like the size of it in case you guys were looking into getting the same bag, and I never got around to it. But I said this time I'm definitely gonna record it for those who want to get this bag or been looking into it. I know a lot of times when we buy items, especially higher priced items or certain items, we like to see reviews, like what other people think about it, the true size, especially for those who are ordering online and didn't get a chance to go into the actual store. So let's jump right into it. You guys do not forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time here. Welcome, I'm Ariel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, let go. So yesterday, so it was a holiday weekend. Yesterday was Labor Day. So for Labor Day weekend, I went out of town to my favorite mall. My favorite mall, y'all. And so I went to my favorite mall, which is in Dallas, and I got the opportunity to visit one of my favorite designer stores. One of my absolute favorite designers. So I got to go to the store and there was a bag that I had been looking at for a while and I picked it up. I looked at several bags, but I ended up leaving with this bad boy. So let's do an unboxing. Like I said, I never got to wear it yet. I just got it yesterday. And shout out to Andrea. Shout out to Andrea at North Park Mall in Dallas. She is an absolute sweetheart. She took her time with us and really helped me to make a good decision on which one in particular that I wanted to get. So this is the box here, and we are gonna open up this bad boy. I just love luxury packaging, like Apple. Apple has the best luxurious packaging, but St. Laurent does a great job as well. So that's that. Let's get this paper out of here, and here is the bag. It's in the dust bag. We're gonna put this big heavy box down. And you guys, this is the YSL puffer bag. This is the largest one that they make, and typically for those who like know me for real, I don't like big bags at all. I don't like big bags, especially when I get designer bags or something that costs a bit of money. I like more like smaller, daintier bags that I can just kind of carry on my shoulder to wear to a restaurant, you know, if I have on a nice dress or something. And I feel like big bags are sort of like an eyesore, you know, like they're just so huge. I feel like it needs its own seats, and I just rather like a cutesy smaller bag. But I need something bigger for every day. I just entered the real estate industry, you guys, so taking my exam and everything, licensed realtor in Texas. So if you need a home or an apartment, shoot me an email. Let's see what we can do about that. Okay, so this is the YSL puffer bag. It comes in small and medium, which medium is the largest. And so this is the largest here, and I have silver detail. So if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, my Instagram is going to be in my bio. I was trying on several bags, and I asked you guys to help me choose because I couldn't choose which one I wanted, and ultimately I went off of a suggestion that my salesperson Andrea gave me. So what she was saying is that the hardware, which I like the black on black hardware, I thought it was so unique and ultra fly, like a vibe. But she told me that the black details sometimes after about a year, it can kind of fade off. And when it fades off, it turns a silver color. So I was like, when you pay that much for a bag, you kind of don't want the detail to fade off, so I want something that's gonna stay. Typically when I buy a designer item, my plans is to keep it for a lifetime, so I definitely don't want something that's going to fade or chip away. So that made the choice a little easier for me, and I ended up going with the silver hardware instead of the gold or the black, which the black was my favorite. So you guys, let's get all this stuff off of the bag, and I am gonna quickly give you guys the lowdown on this bag per the website really quick. Let's pull this up for y'all. Okay, so this is the puffer medium bag in quilted lambskin. So it's lambskin, which is a very super soft plush leather. When I tell y'all this feels like a baby's bottom, like that's how soft it is. It's like super soft. It says the Saint Laurent monogram bag decorated with metal YSL initials, featuring a suede and chain crossbody strap that can be worn doubled for shoulder carry. Okay, so let's see if we can get the rest of this off of here. It's all taped on here, y'all. Brand new, never been worn, clearly. Let's see. Let's get this off of here. Like my top is falling down. Okay. I'm gonna have to open it. This is a bit of work to get this off, y'all. I don't want to take no scissors to it. As clumsy as I can be sometimes, we're not gonna play none of them games. Okay, we're getting somewhere, y'all. We're making progress. We're getting somewhere. Okay, let's get this off. Gotta be real careful with some of these YSL bags. This is another bag that I got a few months ago, and literally when I carry that bag, I have to like guard it, like hold it like this sometimes to make sure, like if I'm getting in a car or walking by a doorway or something, that it doesn't touch anything, because it will scratch the bag, and them scratches can be ugly. Okay, so this is it. So like the website said, you can do it like a double chain like this to wear it like shorter, or you can lower that side and it can be like a crossbody, like a longer length, if you guys can see this. Okay, and then so it'll look like that on the back. Love, y'all. I've been stalking this bag on the website for a while, like for months now. I'm so excited. Okay, so we're taking the paper out of here, and it is a nice size. It's a really big size. Like I said, I don't typically get like big size bags like this unless it's like a backpack purse that I can wear on my back, but nothing to carry on the shoulder. But it has tons of space in here, y'all. As you can see, this is a pretty large bag, especially for me. Has one zipper on the inside. It does have a zipper on the inside, and the zipper does say Saint Laurent on it, and then where the chains come out here, around here, it says Saint Laurent on it as well. And that is pretty much it for this bag, the puffer bag from YSL. I'm totally in love. I literally could not wait to make this video for you guys, because I'm about to wear this bad boy today. She is getting worn today, honey. I couldn't wait. So that's basically it, you guys. If you guys have any questions about this bag, or even over time, I know some people who are planning on getting designer bags, sometimes you want to know like the longevity, you know, how long did it last, did it scratch, did it, you know, was it too heavy, what are your thoughts like a month or two later? So leave a comment down below. If you own a YSL bag already, comment down below and let me know the bag that you have, because I do have a very unique one too that I was thinking about doing a review on, even though I've been wearing it for a few months now. But let me know if y'all want to see some other videos like this, see some designer items, which these are typically videos that I don't do, but if y'all want to see more of these type videos from me, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I would love to record it for you guys. So that's it. I'm excited. I'm about to make up somewhere to go just so that I can wear this today, and that's what we're doing. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at @ariel_official. All the information is going to be down in the description box. Watch a couple of my older videos. Let me know what you think. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.